Hey guys, I was sent this mini drone in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. And this thing is fast and fun and easy to use. So you're just gonna turn it on here by holding that button and it starts flashing right away. We're gonna put this on the ground. Here's the remote. You're just gonna push that button there to turn it on. And then to calibrate it, you're gonna actually up and then down, turns it to pairing, and then calibrate it. It's one of these two. There we go. Now it's calibrated, and then there's a one button takeoff. And it does a pretty good job of holding its position, although these drones, you definitely need to know how to fly a drone a little bit, but it is just super responsive and easy to fly. Yeah, like I said, I've flown a lot of these drones over the years, and this one's easy to fly, easy to get to, easy to control. Super fun to look at too. Just a great small drone. It's fast and fun. So yeah, if you're looking for a toy drone that has some good features like the one button takeoff and holds its position pretty well, this is a fun one. Definitely recommend it.